Welcome medical students to today's histology lecture on the endocrine system. We will explore the functions and regulation of various glands, including the hypothalamic pituitary axis, thyroid, adrenal, reproductive, pancreatic, parathyroid, and pineal glands. We will also discuss topics such as hormones, body composition, aging, and appetite regulation. Let's begin. The hypothalamic pituitary axis coordinates and regulates hormones in the body. The hypothalamus produces hormones that control the pituitary gland. This gland, known as the master gland, releases hormones that affect other endocrine glands. Problems with this axis can cause endocrine disorders, impacting health. The thyroid gland in the neck produces hormones that regulate metabolism, growth, and development. Thyroid-stimulating hormone from the pituitary gland controls thyroid hormone synthesis and release. Imbalances in thyroid hormone production can lead to conditions like hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism with various symptoms and treatments. The adrenal glands, located above the kidneys, have two parts, the cortex and the medulla. The cortex produces hormones like cortisol and aldosterone, which regulate metabolism and blood pressure, while the medulla secretes epinephrine and norepinephrine, involved in stress response. Imbalances can lead to disorders affecting multiple organs. Reproductive endocrinology is the study of hormones and their roles in the reproductive system. In males, testosterone from the testes is responsible for sexual characteristics, sperm production, and libido. In females, estrogen and progesterone from the ovaries control menstruation, pregnancy, and lactation. Hormonal imbalances in reproductive endocrinology can cause infertility and menstrual irregularities, requiring specialized assessment and management. The pancreas not only aids in digestion but also contains islets of Langerhans that produce hormones like insulin and glucagon. Insulin helps store glucose while glucagon triggers the release of glucose into the bloodstream. Issues with pancreatic endocrine function can lead to diabetes mellitus and its associated complications. The parathyroid glands, located adjacent to the thyroid gland, play a crucial role in calcium and phosphate homeostasis. They produce parathyroid hormone, PTH, which regulates the levels of calcium and phosphates in the blood. PTH acts on the bones, kidneys, and intestines to maintain adequate calcium levels. Through its action on the kidneys, PTH promotes the reabsorption of calcium and excretion of phosphates, ensuring an optimal balance. Disorders such as hyperparathyroidism, hypoparathyroidism, or vitamin D deficiency can lead to imbalances in calcium and phosphate levels, affecting bone density and overall physiological function. The pineal gland, located deep within the brain, synthesizes and secretes the hormone melatonin. Melatonin production is regulated by environmental light exposure, with greater production occurring during periods of darkness. Melatonin plays a crucial role in the regulation of the sleep-wake cycle, commonly referred to as circadian rhythm. It helps promote sleep and coordinates other biological rhythms and processes in the body. Disruptions in melatonin production can result in sleep disorders, such as insomnia or jet lag, emphasizing the significance of this hormone in maintaining proper sleep patterns. Endocrine disruptors are chemicals or substances that interfere with the normal functioning of the endocrine system. These disruptors, found in various environmental sources, can mimic or block the actions of natural hormones, leading to adverse effects on reproductive, developmental, and metabolic processes. Examples of endocrine disruptors include bisphenol A, BPA, phthalates, and certain pesticides. Exposure to these substances has been linked to alterations in hormone levels, impaired fertility, developmental abnormalities, and an increased risk of hormone-related cancers. Understanding endocrine disruptors is critical for identifying potential risk factors and implementing preventive strategies to safeguard public health. Neuroendocrine tumors, NETs, constitute a diverse group of neoplasms that arise from cells of the endocrine and nervous systems. These tumors can occur in various organs, including the lungs, pancreas, gastrointestinal tract, and thyroid. NETs possess unique characteristics, such as the ability to produce and secrete hormones, resulting in distinct clinical syndromes, including carcinoid syndrome or Cushing's syndrome. Diagnosis and management of NETs require an interdisciplinary approach, integrating histological examination, imaging techniques, and targeted therapies tailored to the specific tumor type and site. Hormonal regulation plays a crucial role in determining body composition, including fat distribution, muscle mass, and bone density. Several hormones, such as insulin, growth hormone, testosterone, and cortisol, influence metabolic processes and cellular signaling pathways involved in maintaining body composition. Imbalances or dysregulation of these hormones can contribute to conditions like obesity, sarcopenia, muscle wasting, or osteoporosis. A comprehensive understanding of the intricate interactions between hormones and body composition is crucial for developing effective therapeutic strategies and lifestyle interventions aimed at optimizing overall health. Aging is associated with various changes in the endocrine system, contributing to the overall physiological decline observed with advancing age. These changes include alterations in hormone production, secretion, and sensitivity. Age-related hormonal changes can affect multiple organ systems, such as the cardiovascular, skeletal, and reproductive systems. Examples include declining levels of growth hormone, estrogen, and testosterone. These age-related endocrine shifts have significant implications for overall health, longevity, and quality of life. Understanding the endocrine aspects of aging is imperative for developing tailored approaches to promote healthy aging and mitigate age-related disorders. Hormones play a pivotal role in regulating appetite and metabolism. Various hormones, such as leptin, ghrelin, insulin, and peptide E, act on the hypothalamus and other brain regions to modulate feeding behavior, energy expenditure, and satiety. Hormonal dysregulation can disrupt the balance between appetite regulation and metabolism, potentially leading to weight gain, obesity, or eating disorders. Exploring the intricacies of hormonal regulation in appetite and metabolism is essential for combating the global epidemic of obesity and developing effective therapeutic strategies to promote healthy weight management. In conclusion, the study of endocrinology involves various glands and hormones, with the hypothalamic pituitary axis playing a central role. Imbalances in this network can have significant implications for health. Medical professionals must understand and manage endocrine disorders to improve patient outcomes. Ongoing research is crucial for advancing our knowledge of the endocrine system and enhancing global well-being.